Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to add voice or voice effect to your TikTok videos. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now, let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now tap on create on the bottom, that plus icon. Here we go. Now shoot the video for a few seconds. After you have done that, you can see few options given by TikTok at the right corner. Tap on Voiceover. By pressing on the circle, you will be able to add your original voice to your TikTok video. But for now, I'm not going to do that, so let me cancel it. By using this voice effect at the right corner, tap on that. Here you can see different options for voice effect. Here let me choose this chipmunk. Now again go to voiceover. Now say something. Hello guys. Now tap on save at the top right corner. You will be able to hear the voice effect to your TikTok video.
Hello guys.
In this way, you can add your original voice or voice effect to your TikTok videos. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.